Hello everyone and welcome to a Blender tutorial series. So in this one I'm going to make a display, something like this, a shop counter display. So it's going to be transparent glass and there's going to be trays, these plates, the base, this holder, we have to call it, these doors. It's going to be better than this right now. There's no gaps here. So what I'm planning on doing is add a wood frame here, middle frames, etc., so that you can see that it's a door. And yeah, so this is what it looks like in Blender. I believe I have a few render images as well. Let's check them out. So this is what it started with. What's going on here? Why is it printed? Yeah, so this was the final result. So let's just check the what else. These are the render images. Now I'm gonna show you what it looks like in Unity. So press play. Go over here. So this is what it looks like in Unity. So you can see the plates, the base and everything. Yeah, it looks alright, I think, for me. I mean, I'm not that, yeah, it looks alright. So yeah, that's it for this video. So this was just an overview. So in the next one I'm going to start modeling it, and then after that texturing and then importing to Unity. The modeling is probably going to take a few parts because there's a lot of stuff that we have to model. So yeah, thanks for watching, and the next one I'm going to start it. Goodbye.